fill on the rear differential, 8mm.
Yeah, this is pretty easy.
I think it's 25 foot-pounds. And then we're going to transition to the rear now, or not the rear, but the drain plug, which is a 14. This is torqued at 44 foot-pounds. I'm going to slide that fan up. You start to get. I expect this to be in worse condition than the front was. Yeah, it's darker.
Not terrible. Not really seeing any metal or any burnt smell.
Okay. So on the F-150s, the service interval is actually 150. I think RAM says every 30K of towing, otherwise just periodically check, but I don't really understand how one can check. There's no dipstick.
I guess you can take the fill out and see if anything.
Put your finger in there and see, yeah.
Okay, got it set to 44.
Yep. Go ahead and torque it. Okay, one done. So I have a third bottle if you think it needs it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's
There's the trickle. Yep, we're good. Just needed a little bit.
And this one is 18.
The torque spec, right?
Yes.
Yeah, good memory. Yeah, we were talking about how the 8mm is maybe different material in the back, and so that's why it's slightly less. Good. All right.